Indianapolis and Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County, northeastern Pickaway County, southwestern Licking County, until 4 p.m. At 3:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Asheville, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Lancaster, Reynoldsburg, Grove City, Pickerington, Circleville, Pawhuska, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Asheville, Baltimore, South Bloomfield, Pleasantville, Summit Station, Whitehall, Etna, Obetz, Royalton, Lycopolis, and Thurston. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 105 and 121. I-71 in Ohio near mile marker 100.